The length of a table is 105 centimetres, correct to the nearest centimetre. Write down the smallest length of the table. So centimetres are continuous. You can have half a centimetre, a third of a centimetre, 0.4 of a centimetre. So I'm going to have a look at this on a number line. So I've got 105 centimetres. And it's to the nearest centimetre. So if I think, what is the centimetre above that? Well, that's going to be 106. And what's the centimetre below that? Well, that's going to be 104. So now I want to know, at what point do we stop rounding to 104 and start rounding to 105? So what point here? And it's going to be the one in the middle, which is 104.5. And at what point do we stop rounding to 105 and start rounding to 106? Well, it's that point again in the middle, which is going to be 105.5. So the smallest possible length of the table would be 104.5 centimetres, and the biggest possible length would be 105.5 centimetres.